Okay, fine. So, so this table question, table is there. Horizontal circular motion like this, okay, like this. This is horizontal circular motion, correct? Horizontal circular motion. Okay, so what is the answer for first option? So particle of mass m tied to string of length L, whirled in horizontal plane. What is the tension? So what is the formula for centripetal force? That will be tension m v square by L. So TL by m is v square. So square root of TL by m is v. Fourth option. First option. Sorry, first option. The square root of TL by m. Now question 2. Okay, question 2. In above question, initial angular speed is 10. Now tension is quadrupled. So in terms of angular speed, what is the formula? Oh, question 2 is over. Okay, fine. So what is the formula for tension in terms of angular speed? ml omega square. Now tension becomes 4 times. Radius same. So L is same. Mass is same. So T is directly proportional to omega square. Now tension becomes 4 times. So square root of T is directly proportional to omega. So tension becomes 4 times. So what is the effect on omega? Tell me. Square root of 4 times. Omega will be square root of 4 times, means 2 times. Omega will become 2 times. So initial is 10 rpm. So new will be 20 rpm. Now question 3. Two stones of masses m to m whirled in horizontal circular motion. So what is the formula for tension force if mass is m, length is L? What is the formula for tension? Tell me. ml omega square. But they are talking about speed. So what is the formula? mv square by L. So use this mv square by L, because tangential speed they are talking. So lighter stone is m. So suppose lighter stone means 1 and heavier stone means 2m. That heavier stone is 2. So same centripetal force. That means m1 v1 square by L1 is equal to m2 v2 square by L2. Now m1 m2 you substitute the values. And radius also given r by 2, heavier stone r by 2, lighter stone r. So mass is also given m and 2m. So m v1 square by r1. R1 is lighter stone. Lighter stone is r. Okay, and m2 is 2m into v2 square by l2. So that is r2. What is the radius of heavier stone? r by 2. So solve this, m cancel. So v1 square by r is equal to, this 2 will go to the numerator. So 4. 4v2 square by r. Now this r cancel. r cancel. So what is v1 square? 4v2 square. So v1 is equal to 2v2. v1 is 2v2. Now they are saying tangential speed of lighter stone is n times heavier. Now what is the tangential speed of lighter stone? v1. And tangential speed of heavier stone? v2. So tangential speed of lighter stone is n times tangential speed of heavier. So what is n? Tell me. 2. N is equal to 2. So fourth option. Okay, done. Finish. So check your answers. Okay, check your answers. So yes, tell me. Any doubt? Once again, which question? Which question? Third. Okay, 2 stones are there. What is the mass of first stone? M. Second stone? 2m. World in circle. Horizontal circle. So horizontal circle like this I have shown. So it is like this. This is the horizontal table. This is circle like this. Okay, like this. Okay. Now radius is less. So like this. This is the horizontal circular motion. Correct. So what is the outs? Correct. So this omega. Okay, angular speed is omega. Like this. So what is the tension? Tell me, what is the tension formula? Two formula are there. mr omega square. What is the other formula in terms of speed? Linear speed? mv square by r. Now r means L here, length of the string. So mv square by L. Okay. So two separate stones are there. It is not connected like this. Don't get confused. It is not like this. One stone like this, another stone like this. No. This is not there. Two separate circular motion are there. They are separate. They are separate stones. One stone of mass m, radius r by 2. Another stone. Oh, m is radius r. Okay. M has radius r. And second stone, mass is 2m, radius r by 2. They are performing circular motion. Now centripetal force are equal. See, if both experience same centripetal force. So m1 v1 square by L1 is equal to m2 v2 square by L2. Now 1 means lighter stone. Lighter stone means what is the mass? M. And 2 means heavier. Heavier stone, what is the mass? 2m. So substitute values m, 2m. Okay. What is the radius of lighter stone? R. What is the radius of heavier stone? R by 2, correct? So substitute here R by 2. Now solve this, mm cancel. So V1 square by R is equal to this 2 will go to the numerator. So 4 V2 square by R cancel. So V1 square is 4 V2 square. Understood? Then according to question, tangential speed of lighter stone means first, is n times tangential speed of heavier stone. N times tangential speed of heavier stone means V1 is n times V2. So now we are getting V1 is equal to 2 V2. So n is equal to 2. Okay, clear? Done? Everyone? Tell me any doubt? For V1 square, 1 means lighter stone. 1 means lighter stone. See, answer is 4. Two stones of masses m to m whirled in horizontal circle separately. Okay, they are separate. One time you are performing experiment with m and radius r. Second time you are doing experiment with 2m and radius r by 2. Okay? You tell me. V1 is n times V2. Okay? No, V1 square is 4 V2 square. Now square root, if you take, what you get? V1 is equal to 2V2. Correct? So what is the final answer? Tell me. 2? 2 or 4? Okay. So, okay, I will check the answer. What is the answer? I will check the answer. What is? No problem. It is given in MTG also. MTG book you check once. MTG book once you check. Anyone? Okay. Answer? 2. Okay. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay. Okay. So finish all 3 questions. Okay. Now next, conical pendulum, note down, conical pendulum. It will make a cone, okay? Cone, you know that birthday cap is there, birthday cap, cone. Birthday cap, it is a cone, okay? So, see, now this is the string. Right now, what is the tension on the string? Huh? Mg. This is the mass block. So downward force, what is the downward force? Mg. Upward force, tension, correct? Tension is equal to Mg. Okay, now now it is conical pendulum. Okay, simple pendulum, you know, simple pendulum is this. What is this? Simple pendulum, like this. Now conical pendulum is this. This is conical pendulum. Okay. What is this? Conical pendulum. What type of shape it is making? Shape cone, correct? So this is known as conical pendulum. So here, when it is here, okay, like this, when it is here, so let's draw free body diagram. So free body diagram will be like this. This is the string, length is this. Now this is the point of suspension. You can call it ceiling. Okay. I am holding here. So this is the ceiling. Point of suspension. It is suspended from here. It is suspended from here. Point of suspension. Okay. Point of suspension. Now this is the ball. Mass of the ball m. Now you tell me what is the downward force? What is the downward force? Mg. And tension will act along string. Tension acts along string. Tension acts along strings. Tension is acting like this. Understood? This is the tension. The term. Now, what angle it is making with vertical? Theta. So, what angle tension will make with vertical? Theta. This is vertical line, this is horizontal line. This is the radius, 90 degree. Okay, clear? Length of the string, radius. When I consider horizontal circular motion, now horizontal circular motion, what is the radius right now? Now this is, what is the radius? What is the radius? L. What is the radius? L. When it is rotating like this, length of the string is L. Okay, but now it is conical pendulum. Now what is the radius? This is R. Okay, R and L same or different? Different. This is L. This is L. And this is R. Okay, when it is here, this is R. Horizontal. This is R. What is the relation between L and R? Tell me. Relation. What is sine theta? Tell me. Sine theta. Tell me. Opposite by hypotenuse. So sine theta is R by L. Okay. So note down. R is equal to L sine theta. Tell me. What? Okay, what is L here? What is L here? String. What is the length of string? L. But what is the radius of circle? R. They are same or different? They are different. R is the radius. You observe this. You observe the conical pendulum. Okay. So conical pendulum. Circle is this. So this is the radius of circle. This is center of circle. Is this the center of circle? No. This is the center of circle. This is the center of circle. Understood? So radius. What type of circle it is? Horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. Circle is horizontal. Okay. Circle is horizontal. Horizontal. This is vertical. See, this is vertical. This is vertical circular motion. Correct? Vertical. So it is what type of circular motion? Horizontal. So R is equal to L sin theta. Now tension is acting along a string. Any other force? Any other force? Mg. How many forces? Two forces. Finish? Any other? No. Only two forces. Note down. Only two forces acting. Only two forces acting. Tension and Mg. Tension and Mg. Only two forces are acting. Okay, clear? But circular motion is horizontal. Circular motion is horizontal. So consider forces towards center. Consider forces towards center. That means parallel to radius. Radius is horizontal. So consider forces parallel to radius. So what you take? What component is parallel to radius? Tell me. Component, sine component. Okay, sine component. T sine theta. And what component is perpendicular to radius? T cos theta. Okay. So consider forces towards center. So note down. T sine theta provides centripetal force. T sine theta is centripetal force. And what about T cos theta? It is balanced with mg. Correct. So in vertical direction, forces are balanced. Note down. Vertically means vertical direction, forces are balanced. Forces are balanced. So now note down, T sine theta is centripetal force. So I can say the T sine theta is equal to mv square by r, or you can also write mr omega square, and they are balanced. So T cos theta is equal to mg. Okay, fine. So this is first equation. Second equation. Now you calculate tan theta. Divide these two. So this by this, like this. T sine theta by T cos theta is equal to mv square by r, mv square by r divided by mg. Okay, tt cancel. So what you get? Tan theta is equal to cancel v square by rg. Tan theta is v square by rg. Note down. Tan theta is v square by rg. Tan theta is v square by rg. Note down. And sin theta, you know. What is sin theta? You have written here. Sin theta is r by l. Okay, sin theta is r by l. Sin theta is equal to r by l. Sin theta is r by l, tan theta is v square by rg. Suppose sin theta you can find. Suppose, so how to find tan theta? You can solve like this. Sin theta means opposite by adjacent. Sorry, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent? Square root L square minus R square. This you understood, everyone? So what is tan theta? What is tan theta now? R by square root of L square minus R square. And you can call it height also. You can call it height. This is height. See, in the diagram also you draw height. This is height. What is height? Distance between point of suspension and center of circular motion. That is height. Okay, clear? Height of conical pendulum. What is length of conical pendulum? Length of string. Radius of conical pendulum. Height of conical pendulum. So tan theta is equal to r by h. Sin theta is equal to r by l. And tan theta also equal to r by square root of L square minus R square. Okay, let me give you one question based on this. First you calculate. Suppose this is 1 meter. I'm coming back just. So this is 37 degree. Now calculate radius. Calculate radius. What is radius? Calculate. L is equal to 1 meter. L is equal to 1 meter. Tell me, what is radius? Tell me. What is the formula for sin theta? Sin theta r by L. So r by 1 meter. So sin 37 3 by 5. Good. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is equal to r by 1. So what is r? 3 by 5 means 0.6. And height also you can find. Okay. Cos 37 is equal to h by 1. So 4 by 5 is equal to h. So 0.8 meter is equal to h. Okay, clear? Now I'm going back to that screen. Note down. So tan theta is equal to v square by rg. Now calculate tension. Square and add. Square and add. So t square sin square theta is equal to mv square by r whole square. And what is t square cos square theta? M square g square. Now add these two. T square into correct. So t square sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. mv square by r whole square plus mg whole square. So t square. Now take m square common. M square common. V square by r whole square plus g square. Now take square root. So t is equal to m square root v square by r whole square plus g square. Okay, this is the tension value. Okay, clear. So these formula you remember. Okay, tan theta. Basically, you just remember three formula. Sin theta formula you remember, and t cos theta. What is t cos theta? Mg. And what is t sin theta? Mv square by r. Just these three formula you remember. Then you can find tan theta, sin by cos. So tan theta you will get v square by rg. Okay, fine. So length is more. Length is more like this. Length is more. Okay. Now length is less. Length is less. Understood? Length is less. Now radius less. Radius is also less. See? A small radius. Now length more, greater radius. Now radius is more. More radius. Correct? What is difference? Now you observe this. You observe this, okay? Observe this. Now you observe this. What is increased? What is increased? Radius. Length is same, correct? Length is same. More radius, less radius. This is less radius. Angle less, theta also less. Theta is less. Now theta is more. Okay, theta is more. So this is more theta. This is less theta. Okay, clear? Okay, so now solve one question. Suppose mass I am giving conical pendulum. In conical pendulum, mass is 1 kg, angle theta is given 45 degree. Angle theta is 45 degree. Length is given 2 meter. Find V, tension and radius. Speed, tension and radius. Calculate. Speed, tension, radius. Now length is given, theta is given. How to find R? L sin theta. So L is 2, sin 45. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. So 2 by root 2 how much? 2 by root 2? Root 2, correct. 2 by root 2 means root 2, root 2, root by root 2. So root 2. Okay, radius you got. Okay, radius is finished. Now how to find speed? You can use this tan theta formula. What is tan theta formula? What is tan theta formula? V square by Rg. R you got. And what is tan 45? Theta is 45. So tan 45 is V square by Rg. R is root 2. G is 10. So what is V square? 10 root 2 into 1, correct? 10 root 2 into 1. Tan 45 is 1. So root 2 value you know 1.41. So 14.1. So approximately you can say V square is approximately 14. So what is V? Approximately square root of 14. Square root of 14. slightly more than 3 because 3 square, what is 3 square? 9. What is 4 square? 16. So square root of 14 means between 3 and 4. So 3 point something. Root square root of 14 will be 3 point something. Okay, fine. Now tension, how to get tension? Tell me. Now what is T cos theta? T cos theta is mg. Mass is given. G is 10. So mg means 1 into 10. So and cos 45. Theta is 45. So cos 45. Again 1 by root 2. So T is equal to 10 root 2. Correct? 10 root 2. Note down. Tension is 10 root 2. So 10 into 1.41. 14.1 Newton. 14.1 Newton. Tension is 14.1 Newton. The speed is approximately 3 point something. Okay. Maybe 3.56 something. Okay. Root 14 you write down. The speed is root 14. So there are some practical example also. You know that in park, in some village you see park is there. They rotate. They rotate jhula. What do you call it? Jhula. What do you call? That there are small toys are there. You know toys. They horse is there. Horse. Okay. And elephant is there. And they put a small kid they put here. And they rotate like this, correct? So that is also conical pendulum. Okay, that is also conical pendulum. Conical pendulum. Okay, clear? Okay, fine. Now, okay, so this is the question. Note down. Theta given, mass given, length given. You have to find speed, tension, radius. Tan theta is V square by Rg. T cos theta is mg. Okay, so done. So this pendulum, conical pendulum over. Next you write down. Okay, next topic. We can solve some small topics. Note down. Speed bumps. Note down. Speed bumps. So suppose this is the highway, road is there. Now there is a speed breaker. The radius of this speed breaker is R. Radius of a speed breaker is R. Now suppose car is coming, this is the car. So this car is coming. With speed V. Car is coming with speed V. Now car will go along the circle. So what type of circle it is? Horizontal or vertical? Circle, vertical. So note down. Car is in vertical circular motion. Vertical circular motion. So car will go like this. Okay. Now car is here. Speed is v. Now draw free body diagram. What is the downward force? Mg. Upward force? Normal. And center is above or below? Below. So this is the center. Now it is in circular motion. So tell me, what is the net force towards center? Net force towards center. Tell me, what is the net force towards center? Mg minus n or n minus mg? Mg minus n, correct. Net force towards center. It is in circular motion. So what is the formula for net force towards center? This is also known as centripetal force. Mv square by r. So you will write mv square by r is equal to mg minus n. So what is n? How much value of n? Mg minus mv square by r. Clear? No doubt. So normal decreases, increases or remains same? Normal decreases. When car is going on straight road, when it is a straight road, what is the normal value? Mg. When the road is straight road like this. Now road is curved. So normal decreases, no doubt. Normal force decreases. Normal force decreases. Now, what is the speed so that normal becomes 0? If normal becomes 0, then what is the speed? Now substitute n is equal to 0. So mg minus mv square by r is equal to 0. So mg is equal to mv square by r. Cancel. So what is v square? Rg. So what is v? Root Rg. Understood? So normal 0 means this is known as weightlessness. Weightlessness. You will feel zero weight. You will feel zero weight when v is equal to square root of Rg. Because what is n here? This is apparent weight. What is the actual weight? Mg. Actual weight is mg, but normal is apparent weight. Are you getting? Remember, we have done in lift. In lift is there. Suppose lift is accelerating upward. Lift is accelerating upward. Then what is the actual weight? First you tell what is the actual weight? Mg. And what is the apparent weight? Mg plus Ma. Correct. M into G plus A. Right. M into G plus A. So normal means apparent weight. Remember, normal. Okay. It is the normal which will give you feeling of weight. If normal becomes 0, it means you will experience weightlessness. Correct? Like suppose we have discussed this in laws of motion also. Suppose one small kid is there. The mass of kid is 40 kg. So how much normal? Tell me. How much normal? 400 Newton. But now I am holding the head like this and pulling it up. Okay, some big person is there. It is holding the head and pulling it up. So how much force it has? This person will exert how much force upward so that weightlessness? 400. Correct. If you exert 400 Newton upward, so normal becomes 0. Correct. So normal becomes 0 means weightlessness. Clear? To experience weightlessness, what is the speed? Square root Rg. Square root Rg. Okay, so this is known as speed breaker or speed bump. Okay. Tell me, which one? Apparent weight. What is the what is actual weight? Mg. Actual weight is equal to mg. And what is the formula for apparent weight? It is normal. Apparent weight means normal. So what is normal here? Mg minus mv square by r. Understood? So mg minus mv square by r. So weight is, you will experience more weight or less weight? More weight or less weight? Less weight. Suppose I want to experience zero weight. That is known as weightlessness. So what should be the speed? Root Rg. Okay, so you will experience zero weight. So to experience zero weight, your speed should be square root of Rg. Clear? Okay, next you write down tell me. Acceleration, yes. Tangential acceleration is 0. Tangential acceleration 0. Speed is constant. Speed is constant. So uniform circular motion. What type of circular motion? Uniform circular motion. Speed is constant. So to experience zero weight, square root of Rg. Next you write down depression. Road depression. Road depression. Road depression is like this. So now car is coming along a straight road with constant speed. Okay, car is coming. Now speed depression will come. So where is the center? Above or below? Above. So center is above. This is the center. This is the radius. Now free body diagram, you know what is the force upward? Upward force, normal, downward force, mg. Now center is above. So which force is greater, normal or mg? Normal is greater. Center is above. So what is the net force towards center? Net force towards center will be equal to n minus mg. Good. Net force towards center n minus mg. And what is the formula for net force towards center? It is centripetal force, mv square by r. So this is centripetal force. So mv square by r is equal to n minus mg. So what is n? What is the value of n? Correct. And previous question, what is n? Previous question, mg minus mv square by r. Now what is n? Mg plus mv square by r. So normal increased or decreased or remains same? Increased. So normal increased, note down. Normal force means apparent weight. This is known as apparent weight. Normal is also known as, normal value is apparent weight, remember. Actual weight is mg. Apparent weight increases, normal increases. When car is going along straight road, no depression or speed bump. So normal and mg are equal, but here normal is greater. Okay, I should draw like this. Normal is greater means I should draw like this. This is normal, this is mg. Okay, normal is greater than mg. So apparent weight increases. Okay, clear? So now solve one question. Car of mass m is going on straight highway, is going on straight horizontal road, straight horizontal road. Car of mass m going on straight highway. Straight highway, it is going like this. Horizontal road. Find speed at depression on road. Whose radius is 10 meter. What is the radius given? 10 meter. So that apparent weight becomes two times actual weight. Apparent weight is two times actual weight. The car will experience, car or passenger also you can say, okay, passenger or car, they experience two times actual weight. What is the actual weight? Mg. Now I want to experience two times mg. So what is the normal value? Car of mass m going straight road, encounters depression, depression on the road, depression. You can call it pothole also, right? Pothole. Generally potholes are small. It is a big pothole. But there is no water here, okay? It is a smooth pothole, smooth. Okay, tell me. So use the formula. How much weight is experienced? How much weight? What is the apparent weight? Two times actual. And what is actual? Mg. So what is apparent? 2 mg. So normal is 2 mg. And formula for normal is given mg plus mv square by r. So mv square by r is equal to mg. Cancel. So v square is equal to rg. What is r value? Radius of depression 10. G value 10. So what is v square? Correct. So with what speed? With what speed car will be going? Car is going with what speed? 10 meter per second. Okay. So that is depression. Note down. So apparent weight is 2 times actual weight. So n is equal to 2 mg. If the same car is going on speed bump with same speed, then what is the apparent weight? In case of a speed breaker, with same speed it is going 10 meter per second. Radius is also 10 meter. Weightlessness, it is weightlessness. If V is equal to square root of Rg, so normal value will be 0. Speed bump. Okay, clear? Observe this again. See, depression means normal will be more. Normal will be more. Normal will be more than mg. Mg plus mv square by r. This is depression. Okay, done? Okay, clear? Any problem? Okay. So next topic, okay? Next topic. Speed bump, depression, finish. Okay, conical pendulum, finish. Now you practice some question. Give me book. We'll do some question. Conical pendulum, very important. Conical pendulum. One question we'll do from book. Give me. DC Pandit. Okay. So this conical pendulum. Yeah, this is one question is there. Page 283. Page 283, question 113. Question 113. You have this book, everyone? DC Pandit. Huh? What is the question? Read the question. A string of length L fixed at one end carries mass m. A string makes 2 by pi revolution per second. So omega is given. What is the omega? 2 by pi revolution per second. Convert this into radian per second. Revolution means what is the angle? One revolution, what is the angle? 2 pi. So revolution per second means 2 pi radian per second. So pi cancel. So 4 radian per second. Okay, omega. What is the tension? You have to find tension. Okay. Now V, what is the formula for V? R omega. And tension, what is the value? Tension formula? Remember tension formula is square root. Square root, tell me. Conical pendulum. Okay, M is outside. Okay. V square by R whole square plus G square. Correct. But R is not given. In the diagram, R is not given. What is given? L. L is given. Theta is given. Theta is given. In the diagram they have given. Diagram they have given R, L, theta. But options, what are the options? 16 ml, 4 ml. But dimensionally this is wrong, right? This is dimensionally wrong. ml. Okay, omega is given. Nah, correct. Omega is given. Correct. It is correct only. We will get the answer. So, okay. So theta is not given. Theta also not given. Okay, V square will be equal to R square omega square, and R is equal to L sine theta. So V square is equal to L square sine square theta into omega square. Omega square is 16. So L square into sine square theta into 16. So what is V square by R? So what is V square by R? L square sine square theta into 16 by R, L sine theta. So this is 16 L sine theta, correct? L cancel, sine theta cancel. So tension will be m square root 16 L sine theta whole square plus G square. I think some information misprint is there. Theta must be given. Without theta we cannot solve. Theta must be given. Okay, theta is given. Okay, theta is not given actually. Okay, different formula they are using. Okay, height. Okay, tension, one more formula is there, right? What is the other formula of tension in terms of sine theta cos theta? What is T sine theta? Mv square by R, or you can say Mr omega square, correct? Use this. So T sine theta is Mr omega square. Directly you are getting answer now. So R is equal to L sine theta. R is equal to L sine theta. And omega square is 16. Now the sine theta cancel. So T is equal to 16 ml. Okay, 16 ml. Note down. 16 ml. Convex bridge. This is also known as convex bridge. This one. This is also known as convex bridge. Okay, convex bridge. This is convex. And next, what is next? What you call this bridge? Tell me. Concave bridge. You can call it concave bridge. Depression means concave bridge. Concave bridge. Okay, note down, note down. Convex and concave. So one question is there. Page 281, question 90. Page 281, question 90. What is given? Car passes through convex bridge. Car passes through convex bridge. So convex bridge means like this. So what is the formula for normal? Mg minus mb square by r. So what is the correct option? Tell me. C option, correct. C option. Car passes through convex bridge with speed v, exerts force on it at the topmost point. At the topmost point. So normal value. Okay, coin and rotating table. Next topic, coin and rotating table. And homework also you write down. This page 283. Page 283. You can solve these 110, 111, 114. Conical pendulum, one more question is there. Okay, let's solve this. 115. Conical pendulum, solve this 115. Now, these are homework. 115, what is given? What is the length given? 115. Question 115. Length 1.6. Conical pendulum. Angle theta is given. A string makes theta with horizontal. A string makes theta with horizontal. So this angle is given 60. So what is this angle? 30. So this is 60. So this is 30. So theta is 30. So now options are there. Select correct option. Time period is 2 pi by 7 second. Sorry, 4 pi by second, 7. 4 pi by 7 second. Second option, tension. This is time period. Okay, time period, what is the formula? Time period means 2 pi r by v, and omega is also equal to 2 pi by t. So t can be written as, time period can be written as 2 pi by omega. Okay. Time period is distance upon speed. Omega is 2 pi by t. So t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Note down. So what is the second option? Second option, tension is mg by root 3. Third option is speed. Speed is 2.8 root 3 meter per second. Centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration, what is the formula? V square by R or R omega square. So centripetal acceleration is 9.8 by root 3. Okay. So use the formula. What is T cos theta formula? Tell me. What is T cos theta? T cos theta. Mg. Good. And what is T sin theta? Mv square by R. Okay. And what is R? Radius. Radius is equal to L sin theta. Okay. So now you radius L is given. L is given 1.6. Theta is 30. So calculate radius. 1.6 L sin 30. Solve. 0.8. So this is 0.8. Okay, R is equal to 0.8. Now how to calculate time period? Time period, you can use this formula or this formula. So mass is also not given. Only length given, theta given. Okay, that V square by Rg, you know, tan theta is equal to, tan theta is V square by Rg. You can calculate V. R you got, theta also you know. So what is tan theta? Tan 30, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to V square by Rg. R you got 0.8 into G. Now G value you have to take 10 or 9.8. Not given. So take 10. G is 10. So 1 by root 3 is V square by 8. So V square is 8 by root 3. V square is 8 by root 3. Eight by root 3. Okay, now calculate time. Okay, V square is 8 by root 3. So time period is 2 pi R by V. Now V will be square root of 8 by root 3. Okay, we'll continue this. What is a T cos theta? T cos theta is mg. So T into cos 6 cos 30. Cos 30, what is that? Root 3 by 2. T root 3 by 2 is mg. So second option is correct or wrong? Tension is equal to 2 mg by root 3. So wrong. Second is wrong. AC is V square by R. Now V square you got 8 by root 3. R is 0.8. R is 0.8. So 8 by root 3, this 0.8 will be denominator only, okay. So 8 by 0.8, 10. So 10 by root 3, yes, AC is 10 by root 3, 9.8 by root 3, fourth is correct. So G value you have to take 9.8. Now how to calculate tension? Oh, sorry, time period how to calculate? Time period. Let's write small t. Time period is small t. What is the formula for time period? 2 pi by omega. So t sine theta is equal to mv square by r. We can write m r omega square. So t we got, t is 2 mg by root 3, 2 mg by root 3 sine 30 1 by 2, then m r also we got 0.8 into omega square. Okay, understood? Cancel. Sine 30 1 by 2, 0.8 omega square. Okay, 2 to cancel. So omega square we are getting G by 0.8 root 3. This calculation is not good. Okay, difficult calculation. Okay, note down. So anyway, we got our answer, fourth option. And solve this, you will get omega. If you solve this, you will get omega. Then omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Omega is 2 pi by t. Okay, time period. Okay, now next question, you come to next question. One hundred 118. And 121. 116, what is the question? Maximum tension in extensible ring. Okay, this I will teach. Tomorrow I will teach this. Different topic it is. 116 no. 18. 118 you can solve. 1118 solve. How many balls? Three identical particles. What are the masses? 118. They are identical. So masses are same. Three strings are there. Length of the string same. They are whirled in circle, correct? Circular motion. What is the angular speed? Omega. So now what they are asking? Tension in BC. This is ABC. This is OABC. Tension in BC and tension in AB. And tension in OA. This you have to find. Tension in BC is 2. Tension AB is to tension OA. Okay. Calculate. So suppose first string, this is first string, second string, third string. Now what is tension here? Tell me. T1. Here tension. T2. Very good. This is tension. T2. This is tension. T3. What is tension here? T3. So what you write? T1 minus T2. M R omega square. M R omega square. Tell me. Good. Now come to this B. T2 minus T3. M 2L. Very good. Omega square. Now this T3 is equal to M 3L omega square. Okay, T3 you got. Now calculate T2. Calculate T2. Tell me. T3 plus 2ml omega square. T3 is 3. 5ml omega square. Good. T2 you got. Now T1. 6ml omega square. So tension BC means T3 is 2. Tension AB means T2. Tension OA means T1. Tell me T3, T2, T1. T3. What is T3? 3. 3 is 2. 5 is to 6. Correct. Good. 3 is to 5 is to 6. Okay. Clear? Understood? Okay. Few more homework you write. Page 289, 19. Okay, 19. Page 289, 19. Okay, next topic, write down one more topic we'll do. Next, simple pendulum, note down. So this is simple pendulum. So right now, what is the tension? Tell me, what is the tension right now? What is the tension? Mg. Mg downward, tension upward. Now I will hit it with some speed. Okay, like this. Now what is this? Circular motion, correct? Is it completing the circle? No, part of the circle. Is it to and fro? To and fro, to and fro, coming back. So where the speed maximum? Lowest point speed is maximum. Where speed is 0? Maximum height. Okay, it is coming up to here. Okay, like this. The speed is 0 here. So note down. So note down a string. A string has one end fixed. A string has one end fixed. Other end connected to ball. Other end connected to ball. Other end connected to ball. Ball is hanging with the help of string. Ball is hanging with the help of string. Okay, ball is hanging with the help of a string. Ball is hanging with the help of a string. Now hit it. Give some speed. Now ball is hit horizontally. it is hit horizontally and acquires speed u. What speed I have given? What is the speed right now? 0. Now you give 1 meter per second like this. Okay. So what speed I am giving here? U. As it is going up, speed increasing, decreasing? As it is going up, speed increasing or decreasing or constant? Decreasing. Topmost point, what is the speed? 0. Here, speed 0. So maximum speed, lowest point, decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. Okay. So now ball is hit horizontally, acquires speed u. Length of the string is L. Okay. So it performs circular motion. Note down. Ball performs circular motion. Uniform or non-uniform? Speed is constant or not constant? Not constant. So non-uniform. So ball perform non-uniform circular motion. Note down. Ball perform non-uniform circular motion. So like this. So suppose maximum it is coming up to here. So what is the velocity here? 0. So this is known as extreme. This is known as extreme position. Okay. And this is known as mean position. This is known as mean position or lowest. So mean position is the lowest point. Lowest point of circular motion. Circular motion is horizontal or vertical? Vertical. So note down here only. It is vertical circular motion. It is vertical circular motion. In topic also you can write down. You have written topic. What topic you have written? Simple pendulum. Just write down bracket vertical circular motion. Vertical circular motion. Simple pendulum is vertical circular motion. Okay. So what are the forces acting? Tell me. When it is at lowest point, what are the forces? What is the upward force? Tension. It is a string. A string will pull it. Mg downward. It is in circular motion. Where is center? Above or below? Center. Above. Center is above. So which force is greater, T or Mg? T is greater. So you write down T minus Mg is equal to mu square by L. T minus Mg tension is greater. Okay. Center is above. This is center. This is velocity. So net force is towards center. Remember. Here. Any other force? No. Horizontally any force? No. Only vertical forces. So T minus Mg is mu square by R. R is L. Radius is L. So what is the tension? Mg plus mu square by L. Okay, clear? This is tension. And this is tension at lowest point. Note down. This is the tension at lowest point. Tension at lowest point. Mg plus mu square by L. When it is not circle, it is just hanging. What is the tension now? What is the tension now? mg. Good. Now I am hitting it with speed u. So now when I hit, what is the tension when I hit? Mg plus mu square by L. Okay. Now after some time it will come here. Suppose the velocity is v. Suppose velocity is v and angle with vertical is theta. Now v is more than u or less than u? Less than u. Good. V is less than u. Speed is decreasing. So tension will be making theta with vertical. This is the tension. Note down. This is the tension now. Tension is along string. Okay. And mg is downward. Mg is downward. Note down. Here velocity is v. Now what is this angle? These two angles are equal. Theta. So this is theta. This is vertical line. And this is another line. Like this. These two equal. Correct. Now you take component of mg. So you call these points. Suppose this point is A, this point is B. Okay. So at A, tension is up, mg is down. But at B, tension is not up, it is along a string, and mg is down. Now don't take component of tension, take component of mg. Why? Because we have to break forces along tangent to circle and along radius. Okay. So note down at B, note down at B, at B, take forces along tangent to circle, and along radius, okay. For circle we have only two directions. Remember, for circle we have two directions, towards center and perpendicular to radius. Perpendicular radius means tangent, or you can say radial and tangential. This is what direction? Radial. And this is what direction? Tangential. Okay. So in circular motion we consider only these two directions. So this is tangential, this is radial. So radial direction, what is the force? Tension. Now mg is not radial, you have to take component. Take component. What are the component? Tell me. Mg component. When velocity is v, tell me. Now forces, this is tension. Tell me what is the component here? Mg component. What is the mg component here? Cos or sine? Cos. Good. So this is mg cos theta. This is mg sin theta. Correct? Note down. So these are the three forces now. What is the direction of tension? Towards center. Tension is towards center. What is the direction of mg cos theta? Away. Away from center. Away from center. And what is the direction of mg sin theta? Mg sin theta is tangential. Are you getting? This is tangential. So what is the tangential force? How much is tangential force? mg sin theta. mg sin theta is tangential force. What is the formula for tangential force? Mass into tangential acceleration. Mass into tangential acceleration. So that is equal to mg sin theta. Okay, mm cancel. So what is tangential acceleration? Tell me. How much? G sin theta. So tangential acceleration is g sin theta. So acceleration along tangent this way, g sin theta. Okay, clear? Understood? If theta is 30, tell me what is tangential acceleration? Tell me. Correct. So g by 2, okay, 5 meter per second square. So if theta is 60 degree, so tangential acceleration is g sin 60. Correct. 5 root 3 meter per second square. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now what is net force towards center? Tell me. Centripetal force. Centripetal force. Net force towards center. Tell me, what is net force towards center? Tell me. T minus mg cos theta. Very good. T minus mg cos theta. Okay, this is very important. We are discussing all important points on. So mv square by r. R and L same thing. Okay. So T is equal to. So tell me, what is T? Calculate. Tell me, what is T? Note down. So this is tension. Note down. Now you tell me, as the ball is going up, theta increasing, decreasing? As ball is going up, theta increasing. So cos theta, note down. Note, as theta increasing, tell me, cos theta increasing, decreasing? Decreasing. Very good. What is cos 0? 1. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. When theta increases, cos theta decreases. Cos theta decreasing. What about V? V increasing, decreasing? V is decreasing. So tension increasing, decreasing? Tell me. Tension increasing, decreasing? Cos theta decreasing, V decreasing, mass G, L constant, mass is constant, L is constant. So tension decreasing. Okay, note down. Tension is decreasing. Note down. Now you calculate this. Okay, suppose at this instant speed is 10 meter per second. Okay. Now theta is given, mass is also given, 100 gram. Mass is 100 gram. Theta is given 60 degree. Okay, speed is given. Now calculate tension. Calculate tension. AT. What is AT? Tangential acceleration. AC. Centripetal acceleration. Calculate. Okay, length is also given 2 meter. Length is 2 meter. Okay, calculate. Okay, tell me AT. What is AT? Okay, fine. So G sin 60. So G into root 3 by 2. Okay, fine. AC. What is the formula for AC? AC V square by R. V square by R is given. V is given. So 50 meter per second square. AC you got AC. AT also you got. AT is 5 root 3. Okay. Now calculate tension. How to calculate tension? T is equal to mg cos theta plus mv square by L. Mg cos theta plus mv square by L. Okay. I calculate how much. Do it. Do it. How much mg cos theta? Mass. What is mass? Kg. Convert in kg. 0.1 kg. Correct? Okay. 0.1. Mass is 0.1. G 10 cos 60 plus mv square 0.1 v square by L. So 1 into 1 by 2 plus 10 by 2. How much tension? 5.5 Newton. Be clear? Understood? Tension is 5.5. Okay, fine. So this is over. So simple pendulum over. Now just note down one page number, question number. Homework. Page 283, question 121. Two 72, question 8. Okay, simple pendulum is this only. Okay, done. Okay, we'll continue. Okay, take break. You can solve questions and doubts. Okay, clear?